Right, hello, back again. There it is, all there. All the windows updated. Now I can get into my YouTube, all my personal files, empty recycle bin. All seems to be going nice. Did do the update of the 1 gig hard drive. I mean, not the hard drive, the video card. So it's all up to date, correct time, date, and running Windows 10. System. Have a quick look at that. I expect it to be a little bit better than it was. So I'm gonna now build this computer with the Ryzen 5 5600G, which should be perfect. Yeah, and that's DDR4. I know it's still old. It's about 3 years old, 4 years old now, because into DDR5 and the Ryzen 9s. But it does me, and people have been saying, yeah, waste of time, 10-year-old systems, which I sort of agree now. This is way better and faster. Right, we'll come back about a month or so. I've ordered the bits, and once they arrive we'll start putting it all together, and I'll take you through the step by step. And I'll fix my GoPro too, by the way, if you've been watching through and notice that my footage is pretty crap, because I'm just using a Huawei basic cell phone. Okay, cheers.